reverse, and cross watchers. This very well may play out from your perspective. So just apply it where it fits. If it's not for you, it's definitely not for you, okay? So Spirit, tell me about Aquarius, please, for the end of November heading into December. What is the current love energies surrounding Aquarius? Tell me about Aquarius and love. Tell me. So what's your current energy? We have Five of Wands, conflicted and competition. So a lot of you could just be really focusing on the competition at work. You're just not really trying to put yourself out there. You don't want any drama right now. I definitely feel like you're in a place where, and I really, again, this is money here, there's money here. So you could be having a lot of competition at work or some issues at work, drama at work. So I feel like that's why a lot of your energy is getting pulled there. Oh, no. Goodness gracious. But yeah, Three of Pentacles. So there's something about your work life, your home life, your balance. Yeah, see? You're doing a lot right now. You're being very generous. Yeah, because we go from 5 to 6. Or 6 to 5, rather. Sorry, you guys. I always have to keep my work cell phone with me. But yeah, I feel like right now there could be so much competition at work that you're having to go above and beyond, having to do more than you normally do because you don't want to be left in the cold. You don't want to put yourself in a bad situation, okay? So I feel like that's really pulling most of your energy. What's coming towards you? We have Seven of Pentacles, so what you're seeking will find you. Reevaluation. I feel like you're working hard, and because you're working so hard, the fruits of your labor, will come to fruition, okay? And this really will have you really reevaluate everything. Yeah, you know it too. You know what's coming towards you. With the High Priestess here, this is Pisces energy. It's going to start to improve your life. So I feel like you're working hard right now, but you know it's going to pay off in the long run, and it really is going to improve your life. And not only that, it's going to help you, improve in finances and love and everything. I feel like it's just going to improve your life in general, okay? For others of you, you might be moving on to another job that's better pay. So just keep in mind, you're doing what you got to do, but it's going to change your life. So let's go ahead and look at your environment, how you can meet someone, how you can call them in. Page of Cups, message of love. So I feel like you might be receiving a message from someone, or you might be thinking about sending a message to another person. But in regards to, how you can call them in, I feel like you are really pulled right now. But I feel like you might be so busy that you don't even realize that someone might be interested in you. Why is the Page of Cups here, please? Yeah, see, there's going to be a change here. You're going to get some sort of message. I feel like it might take you back by surprise, because with the Seven of Cups here, I feel like you kind of are distracted. I feel like you kind of are confused. You're not really making choices right now, decisions right now. I feel like this is going to change everything. I feel like you're going to get a message that changes everything, because it's going to be a happy surprise. The Page of Cups is a very much so a surprise. Let's look at your blockages. Queen of Swords, sharp and assertive. So yeah, you are assertive and sharp, but sometimes too sharp. You have to be careful because the Queen of Swords is someone who can definitely be hard to read, can sometimes be aloof or very intimidating. So just really be careful. But I definitely feel like just be more approachable. Because there is someone here I feel like wants to message you, but they're just intimidated by all of the rawness, okay? Tell me about the blockages. Why is the Queen of Swords here, please? Oh, okay, we have Libra energy. Balance. Yeah, see, this is someone holding a sword too, so I feel like just have to balance yourself out. Be more approachable. Because I feel like there is someone here that wants to bring you completion or harmony. I also feel like a blockage here is that some of you ended something recently. It could have been a marriage. For those of you who ended a marriage, you could be really guarded because of a past hurt. That's something that's been closed out. So just remember to balance everything, and don't hold everybody don't hold everyone accountable for past situations, people that have wronged you in the past, okay? What is the advice from Spirit? We have Page of Pentacles. So again, this page, so it could be some sort of message or gift, but concrete ideas. So this is, wanting to work on something, wanting to be efficient, having ambition, having desire, having diligence. So, and then we have this notepad here and this pen. So really just put down your ideas, what you want to do, your ideas. I feel like if you work hard enough, you can achieve it. You can do anything that you want to do, okay? What is the advice, please? It's time to transition. It's time to move on. It's time to move on from anything holding you back. If you want that new job, take that new job. Clarify Six of Swords, please. Why is the Six of Swords? Yeah, I feel like what you have been waiting for will come towards you. There's something that, you feel like a transition is good. This is someone who might be a little bit rebellious. This is Taurus energy here too, and I feel like it's okay to be different. I feel like it's okay to be unique. It's okay to be you. Do what makes you happy. Do what makes you feel good. Do what feels right to you. I feel like when you are real and organic to who you truly are, you're calling in someone who would be a better suit or match for you, okay? What message do we have, please, angels? But yeah, I do feel like you're so busy and focused that you don't even know someone's watching you. Take a chance on love. When we start to love, our lives are changed forever. So it might be time to take a chance. You do something different. Ask for help. What is it you really need help with? Be willing to allow yourself the support you need, okay? And I do see that here. I feel like you're waiting for something, but, you may not want to ask for help, but I feel like you need to do something different. You need to do something that's not always traditional. So speak up. I really feel like you guys have a problem speaking up as far as, things you enjoy, but I feel like sometimes when it's really internal, I feel like you do struggle with expressing yourself about your personal issues. So, don't be afraid to put yourself out there and ask for help, okay? So I'm going to leave it there, Aquarius. I appreciate the love from you, and I will catch you on your next video. Take care.